Those zany European TV commercials sure do make their pod-brewed coffee look enticing, especially when they star a certain handsome American movie star. But oh brother, where art thou when it comes time to clean your Nespresso maker? Over time, limescale from mineral buildup as well as accumulation of residue from routine use can cause a perfect storm of performance problems, including strange noises during use, slow pouring, inconsistent temperature, and worst of all, a dirty or burnt taste. If you're a hardcore coffee lover like I am, anything even the slightest bit off with your morning brew can feel like intolerable cruelty, just so you know the gravity of the situation. But don't worry, cleaning and descaling your Nespresso machine won't take from dusk till dawn, only about an hour. Nespresso warns that using vinegar, my go-to natural household coffee maker cleaner, could damage the machine. So to prevent my warranty from being voided, I purchased this $20 manufacturer-approved kit, which comes with a citric acid-based descaling solution formulated to dissolve limescale without damaging the machine parts. Follow these steps to prevent nasty Nespresso. We're using the manufacturer instructions for this model, so your process should be same but different depending on your specific machine. First, disassemble the machine, removing the water reservoir, the drip tray, and the capsule container. Hand wash the parts in warm water and dish soap and let them dry. Wipe down the body of the machine with a wet cloth or sponge. Put everything back together. Pour one of the 100 milliliter packets of the descaling agent into the water tank. Now fill it the rest of the way up with tap water. Set the machine to descaling mode. Leave the lever in the unlocked position. Press and release the button once and wait for a steady light. Press and hold the button until you see the steady light turn off first, and then start blinking quickly. It may take approximately 7 seconds before the light starts to blink. Turn the lever to the left to lock the lever. Then turn the lever back to the front to unlock the lever. Press and hold the button until the light turns off and then starts blinking quickly again. Note, steps 5 and 6 must be completed within 45 seconds. Lock the lever. The light should still be blinking fast. This is an indication that you have entered descaling mode. Place a large receptacle underneath the spout. Press and release the button once to begin descaling. The light will continuously blink throughout the process. The machine will dispense solution intermittently. Once the solution has finished running through, the machine should be silent. Discard the solution and return the empty receptacle underneath the coffee spout. Rinse out the water tank. Refill it 2/3 of the way full with fresh water and place it back on the machine. Press and release the button to start the rinsing process. The machine will stop making noise once the water tank is completely empty. Discard the water from the receptacle. Once the water tank is empty, press and hold the button until the blinking light becomes steady. This may take approximately 7 seconds. And finally, it's time to test your work by brewing yourself a fresh cup of coffee. That's out of sight. I think it's gonna be one fine day. Oh, shins, 11! I almost forgot. You need to be cleaning your Nespresso maker every 6 to 12 months. With that said, good night and good luck. The Descendants. Michael Clayton.
Return of the Killer Tomatoes!